Welcome to this video about the top 7 low-fat dairy products for digestive health. Maintaining good digestive health is crucial for our overall well-being, and consuming the right types of food can play a significant role in achieving this goal. In this video, we will explore 7 low-fat dairy products that can help promote good digestive health. These dairy products are rich in essential nutrients such as calcium, protein, and probiotics, which can help maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria and improve digestive function. So whether you're looking to improve your digestive health or simply add more variety to your diet, this video will provide you with valuable information on the best low-fat dairy products to include in your meals. Let's get started. 1. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a dairy product that has gained popularity in recent years due to its creamy texture, high protein content, and numerous health benefits. It is made by straining regular yogurt to remove the whey and lactose, resulting in a thicker, more concentrated product. The straining process also removes some of the natural sugars found in yogurt, making Greek yogurt lower in carbohydrates than regular yogurt. Greek yogurt is a rich source of calcium, which is essential for strong bones and teeth. It also contains vitamin D, which helps the body absorb calcium and promotes a healthy immune system. Additionally, Greek yogurt is packed with protein, with about twice the amount of protein found in regular yogurt. This high protein content can help keep you feeling full and satisfied, making it a great addition to breakfast or as a midday snack. One of the key benefits of Greek yogurt is its probiotic content. Probiotics are live microorganisms that provide numerous health benefits, including improving gut health. Greek yogurt contains live and active cultures, such as Lactobacillus bulgaricus and Streptococcus thermophilus, which can promote the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut. This can improve digestive function, boost the immune system, and reduce the risk of certain diseases. In addition to being a healthy snack on its own, Greek yogurt is also a versatile ingredient that can be used in a variety of recipes. It can be used as a base for smoothies, mixed with fruit and granola for a breakfast bowl, or used as a substitute for sour cream in dips and dressings. When selecting Greek yogurt, look for plain, unsweetened varieties that do not contain added sugars or artificial sweeteners. In summary, Greek yogurt is a high-protein, low-fat dairy product that is an excellent source of calcium, vitamin D, and probiotics. Its numerous health benefits, including improved gut health and immune function, make it a great addition to a healthy diet. 2. Skim milk. Skim milk is a type of dairy milk that has had the fat removed through a process of skimming, resulting in a low-fat product that is rich in nutrients. It is an excellent source of calcium, which is essential for strong bones and teeth. 1 cup of skim milk provides about 30% of the recommended daily intake of calcium for adults. Skim milk is also a good source of vitamin D, which helps the body absorb calcium and promotes a healthy immune system. In terms of digestive health, skim milk can provide several benefits. Calcium has been shown to help regulate bowel movements and reduce the risk of constipation. It can also improve the balance of gut bacteria, which can lead to better digestive function. Vitamin D has also been shown to play a role in gut health, with studies suggesting that it may help reduce inflammation in the gut and improve the absorption of nutrients. One thing to note when consuming skim milk is that it can be lower in calories than whole milk, making it a good choice for those looking to reduce their calorie intake. However, it is important to note that some of the beneficial nutrients found in whole milk, such as conjugated linoleic acid, CLA, and omega-3 fatty acids, are removed during the skimming process. Therefore, it is important to consider the overall balance of nutrients in your diet when choosing between skim and whole milk. Overall, skim milk is a low-fat dairy product that is high in calcium and vitamin D, which are essential for good digestive health. It can help regulate bowel movements, improve gut bacteria balance, and reduce inflammation in the gut. So, if you're looking to add more dairy to your diet while keeping your calorie and fat intake in check, skim milk is a great option to consider. 3. Low-fat cottage cheese. Low-fat cottage cheese is a type of cheese that is made by curdling milk with an acid, such as vinegar or lemon juice, and then draining the liquid, leaving behind the curds. It is a low-fat dairy product that is high in protein and calcium, making it a healthy choice for those looking to improve their digestive health. Protein is an essential nutrient that is important for building and repairing tissues in the body, including the digestive system. Low-fat cottage cheese is an excellent source of protein, with 1 cup containing about 28 grams of protein. This can help keep you feeling full and satisfied, while also providing the amino acids needed for healthy digestion. Calcium is another important nutrient found in low-fat cottage cheese, with 1 cup providing about 20% of the recommended daily intake for adults. Calcium is essential for maintaining strong bones and teeth, and it also plays a role in maintaining proper digestive function. It can help regulate bowel movements and prevent constipation, while also improving the balance of gut bacteria. Speaking of gut bacteria, low-fat cottage cheese is a good source of probiotics, which are live microorganisms that can help promote digestive health. These beneficial bacteria can help maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria, which is essential for proper digestion and immune function. Probiotics found in low-fat cottage cheese may also help reduce inflammation in the gut and improve the absorption of nutrients. Low-fat cottage cheese is a versatile ingredient that can be used in a variety of recipes, such as salads, dips, and as a protein-packed snack. When selecting low-fat cottage cheese, look for varieties that do not contain added sugars or artificial flavors, and choose organic if possible to avoid antibiotics and growth hormones. In summary, low-fat cottage cheese is a good source of protein and calcium, and can help promote digestive health by maintaining a healthy balance of gut bacteria. It is a versatile ingredient that can be used in a variety of recipes, making it a great addition to a healthy diet. 4. Low-fat cheese. Low-fat cheese is a type of cheese that has had some or all of the fat removed, making it a healthier option for those looking to improve their digestive health. Despite having less fat, low-fat cheese is still a good source of calcium and protein, 2 essential nutrients for maintaining healthy bones, muscles, and organs, including the digestive system. Calcium is essential for proper digestion and maintaining strong bones and teeth. Low-fat cheese is an excellent source of calcium, with 1 ounce containing about 20% of the recommended daily intake for adults. Calcium plays a role in regulating bowel movements, preventing constipation, and reducing the risk of digestive disorders like colon cancer and inflammatory bowel disease. Protein is another essential nutrient found in low-fat cheese that is important for digestive health. Protein is used by the body to build and repair tissues, including the digestive system. Low-fat cheese is a good source of protein, with 1 ounce providing about 6 grams of protein. This can help keep you feeling full and satisfied, while also providing the amino acids needed for healthy digestion. Low-fat cheese is a versatile ingredient that can be used in a variety of recipes, such as salads, sandwiches, and as a healthy snack. When selecting low-fat cheese, it is important to read the label and choose brands that do not contain added sugars, artificial flavors, or preservatives. It is also important to be mindful of portion sizes, as low-fat cheese can still be high in sodium. In conclusion, low-fat cheese is a good source of calcium and protein, and can be a great addition to a healthy diet for digestive health. It is a versatile ingredient that can be used in a variety of recipes, making it an easy and delicious way to improve your overall health and well-being. 5. Kefir. Kefir is a fermented milk product that has been used for centuries as a traditional remedy for various ailments, including digestive issues. It is made by adding kefir grains to milk, which contain a mixture of bacteria and yeast that ferment the milk, resulting in a tangy, effervescent beverage. Kefir is high in probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that can help promote good digestive health by increasing the number of beneficial bacteria in the gut. These beneficial bacteria can help to maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria, which is important for proper digestion and immune function. Studies have shown that consuming kefir can improve digestive function and reduce symptoms of digestive disorders like irritable bowel syndrome and constipation. Kefir is also a good source of other nutrients that are important for digestive health, such as calcium, protein, and vitamins B and D. Calcium is important for maintaining strong bones and teeth, while protein is important for building and repairing tissues, including the digestive system. Vitamins B and D are essential for proper digestion and immune function, and can help to reduce inflammation in the gut. Kefir is a versatile ingredient that can be used in a variety of recipes, such as smoothies, salad dressings, and marinades. When selecting kefir, it is important to choose brands that do not contain added sugars or artificial flavors, and to opt for organic varieties to avoid exposure to antibiotics and growth hormones. In conclusion, kefir is a fermented milk product that is high in probiotics and other nutrients that are important for digestive health. It can help to improve digestive function, reduce inflammation in the gut, and maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria. With its tangy taste and versatility, kefir is an easy and delicious way to support your overall health and well-being. 6. Ricotta cheese. Ricotta cheese is a type of cheese that is made from whey protein, a byproduct of cheese production. It is a low-fat dairy product that is high in protein and calcium, making it a great addition to a healthy diet for digestive health. Protein is important for building and repairing tissues, including the digestive system. Ricotta cheese is a good source of protein, with 1 ounce containing about 5 grams of protein. Protein can help keep you feeling full and satisfied, while also providing the amino acids needed for healthy digestion. Calcium is another important nutrient found in ricotta cheese that is essential for digestive health. Calcium is important for maintaining strong bones and teeth, as well as for proper muscle function and nerve transmission. Ricotta cheese is a good source of calcium, with 1 ounce providing about 10% of the recommended daily intake for adults. Ricotta cheese is a versatile ingredient that can be used in a variety of recipes, such as lasagna, stuffed shells, and as a spread for toast or crackers. When selecting ricotta cheese, it is important to choose brands that do not contain added sugars or artificial flavors, and to opt for organic varieties to avoid exposure to antibiotics and growth hormones. In conclusion, ricotta cheese is a low-fat dairy product that is high in protein and calcium, and can be a great addition to a healthy diet for digestive health. It is a versatile ingredient that can be used in a variety of recipes, making it an easy and delicious way to improve your overall health and well-being. That concludes our discussion on the top 7 low-fat dairy products for digestive health. Including these dairy products in your diet can help maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria, improve digestive function, and promote overall well-being. Remember, it's essential to consume these products in moderation as part of a well-balanced diet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Also, let us know in the comments which of these dairy products you're most excited to try. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.